Naftali Bennett is reflecting the prevailing view in Zionist circles in the settler state. They regard Turkey, if Iran falls, as their last important fortress that they have to besiege and, if possible, overrun. So I actually do believe that Israel will consider Turkey, which is a very powerful country economically, militarily, as a potential danger to them, notwithstanding the points that you've been making. But the reason the American bases are in Turkey and are being used right now is because Turkey can not refuse to allow that, because Turkey is a member of NATO, which is precisely the reason why Turkey should not be a member of NATO. Turkey should leave NATO. Turkey should lead the anti-NATO. Turkey should form an Arab and Muslim NATO-style protection agreement, complete with Article 5, so that any Muslim country invaded by the outside should be able to count on the collective support of all other Muslim countries. And Turkey is in the best position to lead such an organization. It's a monstrosity that such an historic, ancient, and important country as Turkey should actually have to allow American Air Force personnel to inhabit their country, to parade around in their country, and when crises emerge like this one, to actually launch attacks on a Muslim country from their territory.